Hey, so if your Typeform isn't submitting responses, yeah, that can be super frustrating. Maybe users click submit and nothing happens, or you're just not receiving any entries. In this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step fixes to get your form working again. First, make sure all required questions are actually being filled out. If even one required field is missing, Typeform won't submit the form. So, scroll through your form and double-check for any questions marked as required. Next, check your logic jumps. Sometimes, yeah, incorrect logic settings can block the submission flow. If a user gets stuck in a loop or misses the ending screen, the form won't submit properly. Now, this one's important. Make sure your form actually has an ending screen. Typeform needs a proper ending or thank you screen to finalize the submission. If you're using hidden fields like tracking data or URLs, make sure they're set up correctly. Broken or missing hidden field values can sometimes prevent submissions. Okay, next, check your integrations. If you've connected tools like Google Sheets or CRMs, a broken connection can stop submissions. Try disabling integrations temporarily and test the form again. Sometimes it's not the form at all. Clear your browser cache or open the form in a different browser or device. This helps rule out any local glitches. And finally, make sure your form is actually live. If it's closed or not published, submissions won't go through. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If your Typeform still isn't submitting, try duplicating the form and testing again. It usually fixes hidden issues. And if this helped, consider subscribing for more quick fixes like this. Hey, so